I excuse me. I'm really just trying to see how it goes. This would be something for like a podcast, but we don't really want to cover up the face. See, that's the whole thing about it is we want people to be visible, really. That's the whole idea of it. But I think it sounds better when it's closer up. Um, uh, trying to see what we can do here so that it sounds good, but also that we have visible. I mean, for $10 on the camera, I mean for the microphone, that's pretty darn good. We got the pop filter, which is a pretty cool thing altogether by itself, man. Um, yeah, the pop filter is cool all by itself. Cause pop filters are good. Yeah, the pop filters are really good. Um, I don't know where to really go from here. I'm just really trying to get the sound. I I feel like it has to be closer to the subject. This is pretty close right here, but not still blocking them out 100%. I don't really want it to be in front of them, all the way. This is something. It's still, it's here. How about this right here? Um, this is still in the shot, but it's not bad because I'm just trying to figure out the sound, man. But at the same time, we don't really want it in the shot, you know. I feel like we don't really want the shot to have the microphone in it. But it's not that bad if it is in it. So, how does it sound down here? How does it sound down here? Really close to the subject, This is quite extreme, but if we do it right here, where it's right up on it, right up on the subject, and then we're gonna put it down to where it's right here. It's not really too close. And then I want to do something where it's 100% out of the shot, directly underneath the subject. And then I like this position the most. It's just put down and it's directly right here so that